The Chi-Ïung Multipurpose Society in Jowai, which organized a lucky draw on the 28th of September 2024, is facing allegations of manipulation after a 17-year-old boy confessed to cheating to win the first prize, a dumper truck worth Rs 40 lakhs. Tickets for the draw had been sold since May 2024, but concerns arose after members of the public claimed the first prize draw had been rigged. Society members, however, initially denied any wrongdoing. The truth came to light when the teenager admitted to hiding the winning ticket before drawing it from the collection box. A 23-year-old accomplice was also involved in the scheme. The organizers had allowed participants to fold their own tickets before placing them in the collection box as requested by the public. In response to the confession, the society, led by its president, Kirshan S. Lamurong, clarified the incident to the media and announced plans to seek permission from authorities to reconduct the draw for the first prize.
Kilobyte ki plave to ki kena ki kumba ki plave to te kumto gan.
Kim tre the kampor pi aga cash lu.
Ha ingin ada ke cash.
To the kim tre.
Ha the kim tre ke tempat. Kalau first prize ke tempat itu.
Kanu lak ke kanu lak. Cash lu pi aga.
Ha yang ke cash ni ai sam pulang. Yang kata ke usually in seperti swaban ban lot bit swaban ban kalah. Yang kata yang sebutkan in saya audience ban yang baik. Em itu. Kemudian ni kumba orang ini pilih ni pick back random ni kena.